I'm farm-to-table chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com, and today we're talking about how to use flowers to protect your garden. There's lots of flowers that are really good for protecting your garden in different ways. Some attract bees and butterflies and bugs that you do want in it, and some deter bugs that are going to be harmful and that you don't want in your garden. So the good thing to do is do your research for your region and decide which ones are best for you. Marigolds are really great at deterring bugs. You can plant them around tomato plants and lots of others to deter bugs and get them away, as well as nasturtiums, which actually kill a variety of bugs and detract them away from the existing plants. You can use garlic and onions that you plant regularly for your food, but you just let a few of them go to seeds and they will flower. And not only does the smell deter unwanted bugs, but bees absolutely love them. Clover attracts bees and butterflies and helps pollinate your garden. So again, you just want to do your research for your region and decide exactly what kind of flowers are best for your garden.